Good day, Ma'am and Jay. Today I will present to you the continuation of the student attendance system using Django. So, right here, we already have our structured folder. We all we also have our already created Django app called Students, and then next we will define first the database model of our student table. So let's go here to models by file. So right here we have our we have here our class student, and then we have here the attributes of a student. So it's like a info basic data of a student, including student ID, name, course, and then year level. So this model becomes our database table. Basically, this is where student data is stored. After that, let's hop into forms.py file. So this form is connected directly to the student model. That's why we import student. So so the purpose of this form is to have a easy to add or edit a student data, and then the Django will automatically generate a form fields because we already provided it: student ID, name, course, year level. So and then after that we need to set up our app URLs. Right here we have four main operations: view student, add student, edit student, and then delete student. This is basically a CRUD. So basically URLs will decide which functions runs when a user clicks a link, for example view, add, edit, or delete. And then let's go to views. So inside the views file, this is where we wrote the main program logic. So first we have here function student list. This will get all the students from our database, and then after that we will send a data to the HTML template in the student list.html. And the next one is dev student grade. So the flow of this function, if the post request save form data to the database, then if not, post will show empty form. So this is for adding a new student records. After that we have here the student update function. So the flow of this function, it will find a existing student using a primary key, and then if there is a existing data in a form, and then the changes will be saved after editing. And then the last one is for the delete student. So this is confirmation deletion. So if confirm delete, it will first redirect to the confirm delete to ask again. So basically this is to prevent accidental deletion. And then after that let's go to the file student tenant system. Let's go to the URLs file. So we add we have we add the path for the home page to view the student list, and then for the students module routes, and then for the admin. So this is the main navigation router of our system. And then after that, let's go to the settings file. So inside the installed apps, I added a student. So this will activate our app inside the Django project. And then after that, we have to create templates for the HTML file. So we have here student list first. So right here we will display all the student attendance records, and then we also have show edit and delete links. Then after that we have student form. This is for adding student and editing student. And then the last one is the delete confirmation file. So the purpose of this is to ask user confirmation before deleting a data. So now I will show you the output of our app. First, we will just wait a seconds to activate the environment. So let's run the server. So as you can see, we already on the home page. It so there is no existing student. So let's add a student. We will directly we will add the students. So after clicking the button save, we will go back to the home page, and then we will see the added student. And then we have also here actions to delete and edit. So first let's click this edit. So we will go back to the student form. So let's edit this. So it will also update it in the home page. So let's try deleting it. So as you can see, after we click the delete button, it redirects to the confirmation page. So are you sure you want to delete GDPT LAN? So let's try. So that's how my activity works. Thank you for listening.